What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. No, you guys ain't heard my voice in a minute. It's been about like 4 weeks since I last posted. Like, the reason for that being is because my car was down for pretty much the whole beginning of 2021. Yeah, it was down for about 2 weeks because it was raining pretty bad, and for whatever reason, like, I decided to drive my car, and because like it's never really like flooded out here, and my car is pretty low to the ground, and I didn't think that I was gonna drive through a river. But like, it was like 2 a.m. I was on my way home and I drove through a river. Like, I didn't even see it. Like, it just all came up last second. There was really nothing I could do about it but drive through it. So I just I drove through it. The car was still on though, like it was fine. Didn't hydro lock it. There was pretty much like no issues. Like, I even drove it around for maybe like another 10-15 minutes just to make sure that everything was good. And then as soon as I got home, the car I turned it off and then it wouldn't start, and I couldn't figure out what the problem was. I didn't think it was the battery because it still had power. Like, well, the car was dead the next day, but it still had power. Once I tried to jump it, it just wouldn't, like, it wouldn't crank and it wouldn't start. But like 2 weeks after that, I ended up figuring it out. I figured out the problem. I ended up replacing the battery because I guess the battery shorted out, which was really weird just because all the dash lights, like everything would turn on like the battery was fine. But I switched that out and the car started right up. Another issue I am having is when the car is on and I press to turn on like the AC, or wait, where's it at? AC. The car will actually like start dying for some reason. Like the slip light will like come on and it'll like be like flashing in the dash. Just like it will just be like weird. Like, my seat warmers, like, they don't even work anymore. Yeah, just a weird problem that I'm dealing with. So I ended up picking up an engine bay harness, and I'm gonna try to replace that and see if that fixes the problem, because there is a short in my car somewhere, and that's just gonna be the first part that I try to replace to fix that. But anyways, the point of today's video, I'm pretty much just gonna be giving you guys a POV. I'm gonna be doing like some pulls, like with the popcorn map. It's just stuff like that, because like a lot of you guys want to see that type of stuff, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that video out for you guys. So right now I'm just pretty much just waiting for this GoPro to finish charging. It should be almost done. I really need a new GoPro, to be honest. Like, this one's kind of old, the Hero 4. They're already out with like the GoPro 8. Yeah, I need an upgrade. But yeah, I'm gonna be switching over to this, and then we'll get on the road. Also, I did change up my tail lights. I don't know if you guys noticed when I walked up to the car, but I feel like it looks better this way without the red in the inside. Like, because I feel like the red was throwing it off a little bit, so I went ahead and I changed it up a little bit. I don't have the Playboy bunnies in there anymore. It's kind of dusty. A lot of you guys might know what that is. But yeah, these look way better to me, to be honest. All I need now is just the black wheels, just to put everything together pretty much. Okay, so give you guys a cold start. I mean, it's not really a cold start actually, but oh, that's annoying. Turn that off. Yeah, that's just my transmitter. I actually have a doubled in, but I just need to get it installed. Gotta turn that. So remember when I was telling you guys when I turned the AC or the heater on, like, look, just pay attention to like right here on the dash. Just see how it just goes crazy, just flips out. Yeah, if you guys ever experience something like that, just let me know how you fixed it. Like I said, I'm trying to fix it by getting the harness replaced. So yeah, let's let the car, you know, idle for a little bit, and then we'll get on the road. All right, car's warmed up a little bit. Just me scraping on the speed bumps. Hopefully there's no cops on the street, because I do not want to get pulled over. But I feel like it would be better for me to do this in the daytime, to be honest, because I mostly see cops at night. Let's go. Let's go. I'll go ahead and I'll give you guys a 40 roll right here. This is with no pops. Actually, I'll turn on the pups for you guys because I want to hear them, to be honest. I'll do a 20 roll right here. I'm surprised I didn't really spin that bad. I usually spin a lot on the 20s. Don't pay attention to this. Like, I know my car, so like when I say I'm doing a 20 roll, like I know what RPM, or you know, just because I'm used to it. Alright, I'll do another 20 for you guys real quick. Doing 20 rolls low-key. especially like with the pops on. Over there, it's Nardo. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. I mess with it. I think he just flashed his light at me. Yeah, like I was saying, like with my dash, I don't really know exactly what the problem is, but so hopefully fixing the or changing out, you know, the engine harness will maybe fix that problem. But I'm also going to be picking up, you know, like a speed sensor, like, because it's just honestly annoying just not, you know, knowing how fast you're going, and it's just an annoying problem to see your, you know, needles bouncing up and down on the dash. Look, another G. I think he needs that. Oh, hey, okay. The Beamer. Okay, you got a little tune on it. Not as loud as mine though, but it still sounds nice. Crazy. Another G. I low-key do want a Beamer, like an M3, or like the E46 though. That'll be pretty tight. Maybe in the future I'll get one. Alright guys, well that was just the POV drive. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want more of that. I am planning on going to like a road night and stuff like that, so I get some, you know, some runs in with other people. I'm pretty sure you guys would like that type of content. And you know, it's all just for fun. Don't mind my check engine light flashing. I know you guys seen that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and sub. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I'm out.